Hello, good afternoon. Today we're going to make a pattern, or we're going to perform drafting pattern for skirt. What we need are the assuming measurement for waistline, hip, length, and bust point distance. Also, we need the marker. I have black and red, the tracing wheel, scissors, tape measure, hip curve, ruler, and L square. So, and also the pattern paper. If you don't have pattern paper, you can use Manila paper like this. So half of it, this is folded. We have to fold in the center. So the first step, we need to make a perpendicular line. Perpendicular line is we can use the square or L square like this, or if you don't have, you can just use your tape measure. So wait lang, we have an allowance on the top will be 2 inches from the edge, 2 inches, and then on the left line we need 2 1/2 inch like this, and then just put the L square and line like this. Okay. On the book, you can see perpendicular line. Ito yun, oh. Isang pahalang, isang patayo. Perpendicular line. Okay. So, this will be the basic line in drafting pattern. So, we will write the name on the top line as the waistline or W. Then next is the length, which is 18. So from the top line to the bottom, we will measure 18 inches. Dalawang beses ha, para diretso. Dalawang beses magsusukat para straight line, and then line. Okay. So, meron na tayong fundamental line, the top line, left line, and the bottom, which will be our length. Mamaya sasabihin natin kung alin dyan ang magiging length for front and back. Okay. So, the waistline, the top line will be our waistline. Waistline measurement is 7. So, from the corner, measure 7 for the waistline plus 1 inch. So, dalawang guhit ha. This will be the exact measurement plus 1 inch for the dart. And then, dart, bust point distance is 3 1/2. Here, this 3 1/2 will be the center of our dart. Ang width of the dart is 1/2 inch. So magkabila, tig 1/2 inch. Write natin half inch, half inch. And the length of the dart is 5 inches. So from the top line, 5 inches. Lagay natin 5 inches for back. And for the front is 4 and 1/2. 4 and 1/2 front. Yan. Just line like this. Parang triangle. Okay. And the other one, please, pakiangat mo nga yung so that we can distinguish the back and front. The red one will be the back. Yan. So, meron na tayong back, 5 inches, front, 4 and 1/2 inches. Next, hips. Our hips measurement is 9. So, how can we locate the hips? We will measure 7 inches from the top line. We will measure 7 inches down. 7 inches for Filipina height, medium. But if they are matangkad, you will give about 8 or 10. It's depend on the height of the client, okay? Okay, so this will be the 7 hips. 2 times we will measure 7 pala. Para straight siya. Then line like this. Line. Okay. So this is the location of our hip. The measurement is hips 36 equals 9. So from the left line here, left line, measure 9. Exact. Wala siyang additional, unlike the waistline, ha? Ang waistline with additional for the dart. Pag wala kang additional dito, sorry na lang, hindi mo siya maisusuot. Okay. Next step, we will join the waistline to the hip using our hip ruler or hip curve like this. And, okay. Next is down. Kung ano ang measurement ng hips, yun din ang measurement sa length. Halimbawa, 9 ang hips, 9 din dito sa length. So, ito, you can see the line, the difference. Ito ang straight cut. Then, we will make a pencil cut by lessen about 1 inch from the straight line. Pasok tayo ng 1 inch. Then, from the hips, just line like this. Yan. So, you can see the difference, no? Naka-fit tube. Naka-fit yung A-line. This is the straight line. Sige, lagyan natin. Our A-line should be pencil. Pencil. Straight. And A-line, if you wish to make an A-line, you just add about 1 and 1/2 inch from the center. Just add 1 1/2 inch. And then from the hip, draw a line or join like this. Okay? Ayan. So, meron tayong 3 styles of the skirt. The straight line, this will be the A line. Yan, ha? Pencil, straight, and A line. But this time we will going to use the pencil because this is the requirement for test DAS assessment. But if you wish to have the straight line because it is nice for you, for the chubby, you can use or you can make a straight line. So, sa length natin, for the back length is the straight one. So, the first line we made kanina, this will be length for the back. Yan. And the front has additional of, it's depend. Say, like this. For the slim or petite, just 1/2 inch. For the chubby, is 1 inch or more. Let's say 1 1/2 for chubby or yung matami, mapuson. Now, let us do additional of 1 inch and then line. So, A line from here, the inner line. Using your hip curve, this portion, not the straight one, ha? Like this. Yan, straight. Kasi pagka nabaligtad mo yan, hindi maganda ang form. Okay. See the difference. The straight line is for the back. This one with additional is length for front. Okay. The same way, if you want to have the straight line or the A line like this.